Hi, I'm Jeremy with XTech Tactical. Today we're going to go over our extended magazines for the Glock 43 and our +3 extensions that work with factory magazines. So first we've got a Glock 43 here. Here is the factory extended 6-round magazine. And for me, I just can't really get a good grip on the pistol, and also 6 rounds, especially in today's day and age, it's not enough. So what we have is the +3 extension or the complete 9-round steel reinforced upgraded over factory magazines. Gives you that perfect grip, really looks awesome in the pistol. So these are again available as an extension kit known as the MTX 43 +3 or as the complete magazine, the Mag 43-9. Next we're going to go over how to disassemble factory magazines, install the extensions, and also field service our Mag 43-9s. Alright, so the Glock OEM magazine shown here is 6 rounds. That's the only way Glock sells the Glock 43 mags. They come in 2 different forms. One is a flush fit base plate and one is the extended. I have the extended on because it's the much more difficult one to deal with because you cannot use a Glock base plate tool. It's just no way to hook into the spring button. With the flush fit, you just hook in and pull it off. So what I actually prefer to use is a skinny, just longer screwdriver, and you're literally just going to stick it down inside the spring button, pull it down for some leverage, and then just slide forward. Once you get over these side tabs, you can then just pull the base plate off. From there, if you're going to install our MTX 43 +3 extension kit, you'd simply grab our parts here, pull out the factory spring button, set it aside along with the base plate. Only part you're going to retain and use in our new kit is the follower and the magazine body. You're going to hook the follower into the spring there. You'll see the snap. Slide this into the magazine body. Make sure your high side of the spring button is towards the front of the magazine. Grab our inner housing, which you'll pull apart from the outer housing. You're going to want to make sure your spring button is shown flush there at the bottom. Now, one important thing with the Glock 43 is to make sure that once installed, you are flush here in the back. So you don't want to see an air gap. So once you've got it oriented like that, you're just going to slide this over the front. I'm going to jump over the tabs while pushing the spring button. And then you're going to want to make sure that button comes all the way through. So sometimes a tap on the table is all you need, and you're good to go.